this is Jacob, and I want to show you this nice guitar I made. And it's a kind of an update video to the Sonowood Sonoveneer guitar I posted a couple of days ago. And yeah, it's the same basic principle. It's a Sonowood top, so compressed veneer, and it makes the top very resistant to scratches in it, and yeah, like damage, and also it's got a really nice punchy tap tone to it. And yeah, I want to show you the guitar. It's got a beige back and some flamed roasted maple frame, also flamed maple on the neck. That's a piece of walnut I still got, and the rest is Sonowood walnut. And yeah, I want to take the chance to show you how it sounds. So please enjoy. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the sound. Wasn't expecting it, to be honest, from the Sonowood, because it's quite heavy and dense, but it's like very thin. At some points you can actually see the honeycomb nomex seeing through, because the Sonoveneer gets quite translucent. And yeah, it's just looks gorgeous in the sunlight. Yeah, it's a little bit more extravagant and yeah, a little bit different to like the regular guitars, but yeah, I kind of dig it, and I hope you too. And stay tuned for more stuff like this.